2017 Chevy Camaro SS convertible. I like these. I want to give me a convertible. They're pretty. Anyways, it's got 4 stock converters, 2 on each side, right there, right there. Oil filter. I don't know why I said that, but okay. 3-inch pipe all the way back. Got 2 flex pipes right there. Then it's got a factory X pipe right there, all smushed. See, like they have no space for anything because of the convertible part. Then it's got the valves on it that open up in sport mode or special buttons and stuff. Then what we did on it, he wanted it not too loud, so we put some Flow FX on it, there and there. Part number 71416. See it? Right there and right there. There'll be a link in the description. And then we put some massive 5-inch tips on it, rolled, because it fills that gap really nice, as you guys can see. You don't want to go with 4 or 3-inch. You always want to go 5-inch on these. It looks so much nicer. And like always, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. That's the new word of the month, share. And it's Chevy Camaro SS. This is the muffler we cut off of it right here. This massive thing. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better.
That is it, man. That's the sound I'm looking for.
That's perfect. Flow FX. Oh, it sounds so nice. Give it gas. It peaked at 106. That's perfect.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, it sounds so nice. It looks even better.
I'm gonna make sure, man, that I'm gonna give you a video of what they got.
Yeah.
Burn rub out of here.
Heck yeah. Show us what this thing is gonna, what it can do. It's perfect. Those Flow FXs sound so good on these. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro. Flow FX. Do a takeoff and come back. Oh, that's beautiful. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Convertible Chevy Camaro SS. All right. He's gonna go beast mode. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Flow FX sounds so nice. 2015 Chevy Camaro, 6.2 liter beast, V8. I'll let you guys show you what we did. He's getting long tube BBK headers he's gonna put on it, some high flow cats, but right now it's got stock manifolds, 4 converters. It's a California car. Then they deleted the resonator somewhere else and put an H-pipe in the center. Then it's 2 1/4 all the way back. And we continued that 2 1/4 and did a muffler delete there and there into 4-inch quad tips there and there. What do you guys think? I like it. It's clean. Came out really nice, really clean. Just smooth all the way around. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. back it up. And it's a 6-speed, right? Oh, I love that idle. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off of it right there. Because you know what? We hate mufflers here. Oh, it sounds so good. Yeah. Let us know what you guys think. You can help beat that sound. Let you guys hear on that side. Just 1 second. So we did this about a few months ago, 2010 Chevy Camaro. And we added some work to it, but it had headers on it, long tube headers, there and there, high flow cats, there and there, then 3-inch system all the way back. It's an SS, all the way. We added sleeves in and connected the MBPR's straight pipe tip, straight pipes out the back, there and there. And then he was complaining about drone inside, so he went and did research and found out that the Solo J-pipes, they call them, which we just installed, these right here, Solo J-pipes, right there and right there, they are supposed to take away all the drone, so, or help with it at least, especially at high RPMs. So we'll let you guys hear it and see it in a minute. And this is the name of it, Solo Performance J-pipes. If you guys want the link, hopefully we'll find the link in the description for it for you guys. Try to help you out. And these expand here for it to go in and out, and depending on the drone, those pipes expand too. So we tucked them up nice and hidden, you don't see them. So he can adjust them whenever he wants. Again, they're called Solo J-pipes. Right there, by Solo Performance. And you guys can see an earlier video without them. Decibels on it. Go ahead. 125. Woo. Man, we got so much comments on this one. Have you been watching it? On our channel? A lot of positive stuff about it, man. You think it toned it down a little bit compared to before? Or you don't hear a difference? It's one of the best Camaros I've heard in a while. Again? Let you guys hear. 2010 Chevy Camaro. What we got done on it for you, gentlemen and ladies. We put BBK headers right there and right there. Then BBK high flow cats there and there. And you know us, we don't like clamps, so we all weld everything. Then it's got a a Borla complete system. There's the X pipe, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into some Borla Ataks right there and right there, into some 5-inch tips there and there. As you guys can see, complete system, really pretty. Came out. There it is. All the way with, there's the long tube headers. Took the manifolds off and put long tube headers, everything. All 2.5-inch system. Borla Atak system. If you guys want the Atak system, there should be a link in the description, hopefully, if we can find it. Let you guys hear it in a second. We also put in a cold air intake system by BBK. Also, there's a customer. There it is. And there's the headers from the top, so you guys can see them. Right there. And right there. Cold air intake system. Part number is... I have no idea. It's not on the box, so there's the box. Sorry, guys. But there it is. Cold air intake system also. We'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Camaro. It is an SS. Here's sound decibels again. 117. Go ahead and back it out. Very nice. Camaro SS. Go ahead. Gold start. Told you. That's it. Just wait till you see the power difference. Take it down the road. Let's see what she sounds like. Okay. I haven't heard it going down the road at all or nothing. All right. We got to do yours next. Yeah. Full tube headers, everything. He's smooth! Oh my God! You can still hear it! That is amazing! I love it! 2010 Chevy Camaro with a built motor. Got long tube headers there and there. Then got high flow cats there and there. And what we got done on it is we straight piped it 3-inch all the way back. It had some had a MagnaFlow in the middle. We took it off right there. And then out the back it had hush power. We took them out, put 3-inch pipe in their place into massive 5-inch tips to let it really resonate. And it'll really sound good once it's done. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the 5-inch tips there and there. They fit in there perfectly. That's how they all should come. And that's the mid muffler delete or resonator or whatever, or that Magna Flow delete. So it's basically true dual straight pipe all the way back. And he's getting a Whipple supercharger next week put on. So once he gets that done, hopefully he'll bring it back. We'll do another video. That's how they all need to sound. Perfect?
Yeah.
Don't forget your box. We'll leave the box for you. Just pick it all up tomorrow. Okay. Appreciate it, sir. Get on it. Show us what it's got. Woo-hoo-hoo. Beast mode! You can still hear it.